Adidas has officially cut ties with Ye, his creative legacy still resonates within the brand's latest footwear drops. A prime example is the upcoming Adidas Dame X Silver Metallic, which, intentionally or not, bears a strong resemblance to the legendary Nike Air Yeezy 2 Pure Platinum colorway. The likeness is hard to miss. This Dame X iteration features a tonal silver construction, blending mesh, textile, and synthetic overlays, accented by bold red hits on the inner lining and branding. While the nod to the 2012 Yeezy is evident, the silhouette firmly aligns with Damian Lillard's modern signature style. It maintains the line's signature features, sharp midsole sculpting, enhanced heel padding, and multi-directional grip. Though official release details for the silver metallic pair remain under wraps, it's expected to arrive in full family sizing. The version shown in current look is designed for kids, hinting at a broader launch soon.